Yo, what is up guys? We're back in the lab. Just bagged the commission to whip up some custom bases for these McFarlane figures. We're doing a split vibe. One's catching waves at the beach, the other's touching grass. Let's dive in.
Step 1, we're cloning these stock bases. I'm ditching the plastic and going full resin because we need that premium feel. Feel me?
Not gonna lie, I totally spaced on filming the mold release agent part. My bad. Don't be a rookie like me. Spray your molds down first or you're gonna have a bad time. I'm rocking with this silicone sealing for the molds. It's cheap, it's clutch, and it gets the job done without breaking the bank. Stay thrifty, fam. Just laying it on thick, layer by layer. You gotta be precise here to catch all that crisp detail. And now we wait. Let it sit for an hour until that sealant is fully cured and ready to rock. Time for the reveal. Peeling back the mold and boom! Look at that texture, clean. All right, let's get the resin juice ready. This is where the real magic happens. I'm running a 1:100 ratio on the catalyst. Give it a good swirl for a minute, then let it breathe so those bubbles can bounce. Pouring it in nice and slow. We need that resin hitting every single nook and cranny of the mold. "60 minutes on the clock, let it harden up until it's solid as a rock. Once it's bone dry, I'm hitting it with that primer. Can't have our paint sliding off, we need that grip. Time to sauce it up, hitting the base colors with acrylics and bringing in the big guns, some MIG aftermarket diorama stuff to make those textures pop. Slapping that paint down and blending it out. Trust the process. It's all coming together. For the land base, we're dropping some diorama grass. We're going for that hyper-realistic, outside aesthetic. Now for the beach vibes. I'm using clear resin to get that wet look. This is gonna be a total game changer. Dropping a tiny bit of blue tint into the resin. We want those deep ocean vibes, not a swimming pool. Pouring it in nice and slow. Gotta make sure it hits every corner of the mold we just made. Water's down, but we're not done. I'm layering in more resin to sculpt the waves. Look at that flow. Back to the grass, tossing in some pebbles and grit. It's the little details that make people go, whoa! And there it is, the final look. Might not be 100% perfect, but I'm low-key stoked with how these turned out. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace!